Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Opera is up to date and signed in so settings persist. Open Opera and check the version. Updates fix VPN quirks. Decide whether you'll use Opera's built-in free VPN or add a third-party extension. Built-in requires no account. Extensions often need sign-up and permissions. Once decided, go to Settings and prepare to enable the feature. Bookmarks, active tabs, and any proxy settings, make sure they won't conflict before you proceed. Now enable the VPN. If using Opera's built-in option, Open Settings, find Privacy and Security and toggle VPN on, then a badge appears in the address bar. If using an extension, install it from Opera add-ons, allow the required permissions, and pin the toolbar icon. Connect to a server or select a region, then open a private tab and load an IP check site to confirm your IP and region changed. This verifies the tunnel and avoids cache artifacts. Finish by testing secure access. Visit a site that shows your IP and location to confirm protection. Make sure the VPN icon indicates a connection before logging into banking or private services. If performance suffers, switch server regions or temporarily disable browser features like WebRTC to stop leaks. If anything fails, clear cache, disable other proxy or security extensions, and restart Opera. This usually resolves handshake or DNS issues. If problems persist, try a trusted extension instead of the built-in VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.